Hey folks, in this video we're going to show you an easy way to make a showstopper wild game meal. Today we're using a section of moose strip loin, or backstrap as it's often referred to in the hunting community, but this recipe will also work well with venison. After your meat has come up to room temp, butterfly the loin with a sharp knife. You want to have a nice long sheet of meat when done. Cover the meat with some plastic wrap and then pound the meat with a mallet until you get it to about a 1/4 inch thick. Next, lay some prosciutto down. This will add some nice fat. Then add some cream cheese and top with some caramelized onions. Make sure to leave a little space around the edges so things don't spill out. Roll the meat up fairly tightly and tie with butcher string, starting in the middle and then on each end, and finish with a couple more in the middle. Season the roll with salt and steak spice. Now get your smoker rocking with your favorite pellets and set your temp to 225. Once to temp, add the roll to the smoker, insert a probe and shut the lid. Let it smoke for about 1 hour, or until the internal temp reaches 120 degrees. While your roll is smoking, it's time to make some brown butter. Add butter, garlic, and sage to a small sauce pot. Simmer over low heat, stirring often until the sage and garlic is cooked and the butter takes on a bit of a brown look. This should take about 10 minutes. When your roll is hit 120 degrees, remove it and set it aside. Crank the heat up on the smoker to 450 degrees and adjust the flame guard for direct grilling. Baste the roll with some brown butter and quickly cook on the grill just until some nice char marks develop. Then remove the roll and let it rest for 5 minutes before slicing. Once rested, remove the strings, slice into wheels, and plate. To finish it off, drizzle with some extra brown butter. Thanks for watching. We hope you give this a try the next time you have some moose or venison loin lying around. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button so you don't miss our next video.